It's that boy Blue from Mississippi, man.
What it do? It's your boy Jungle Boy Blue. You hear me? Hey, I came to y'all that night. Hope y'all doing alright. You hear me? It's your boy Blue, man. Look, I'm steady seeing the crowd. These folks talking about believe in your inner self, and what's the other thing? Believe in Mother Nature. What they do that at? I know none of y'all watching this video. When y'all growing up, I'm talking about, you know what I'm saying, little nigga. You hear me? When you growing up, your mom, your daddy, auntie, grandma didn't tell you about no believing in Mother Nature. Ain't nobody told you that. Your inner self is your flesh. Come on now, y'all don't make me go there. It's your flesh. So, with that being said, that's mess. You hear me? Your inner self, Mother Nature, is flesh. So that's mess. Man, come on, man. I'm finna read y'all one of these comments this nigga left. This nigga say, Jungle Boy Blue, you need to understand all we need is nature. That's what he's trying to tell us, teach us. All we need is Mother Nature. I'm finna tell y'all who this is now. This nigga spiritual soul. That's all he talk about. I left a comment on. You can go there and look at the video he just dropped on YouTube. But man, the man's a character, man. Everybody on YouTube reading that. That's all they talking about. You hear me? Man, don't y'all believe in that, man? In them horoscopes. Now I'm telling you, do your research, man. Then if you go back and look at the history of the horoscope, pay attention. The first one of the horoscope was a dragon. So they took it out, poop. They didn't want that, you know what I'm saying? But one of y'all a dragon. I ain't never one of them. I'm Jungle Boy Blue, you hear me? Straight up.